This bird makes a loud sound, okay, that is known as meow. Meow, meow. Hello students, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn a chapter from 3rd standard NCERT book, Looking Around. The name of the chapter is Flying High. Let's get started. Flying high. Oh my head, I have a crest. All see I dance the best. Oh my head, I do have a crest on my head. Crest is a group of feathers having on bird's head. Some feathers are there, so those are set up on bird's head. So which birds have feathers or which birds have crests on their head? Can you tell me? Is that peacock? Right. Is that cock? Right. Kakakua? Right. These birds have crests on their head. So the meaning of first line is, oh my head. Oh my head is, oh my head. Head is our head. So on that head's top there is crest. So some bird is saying like that, oh my head, I do have crest on my head. All say I dance the best. All say is whoever watches me, they say that I dance the best. I can dance in the best way. Okay. So what do you think? Who is that bird? So we will read the next. Of my feathers I'm proud. Before the rain I cry aloud. Of my feathers. Here some words are shuffled for making this poem good. So we can read like, I am proud of my feathers. Feathers are पंछी के पीस होते हैं. Those are feathers. So I am proud of my feathers. I have pride on my feathers. मुझे अभिमान है. That is proud. Feeling of pridiness. I am proud of something is मुझे अभिमान है. I am proud of my feathers. Before the rain I cry aloud. Before rain is some environment is set up before the rain. So some clouds come in sky. So by looking at that cloud, by looking such environment, this bird dances. This bird makes a loud sound, okay, that is known as meow. Meow, meow. So will you tell me which bird they have mentioned here? Right, peacock. Right. Long and grooved is my tail. High up in the sky I sail. Long and grooved. Long and grooved is very long, lamba. Grooved is having a long tail with many tails, like many feathers in that. Okay, many feathers in one bunch. This like structure is grooved. So long and grooved is my tail. My grooved, पता चला आपको? That is many feathers in that. So that is bunch of many feathers. So that is grooved is my tail. Tail is, you know, the lowest part of animal's body is tail. So in birds also there is tail. In animals also there is tail. But humans don't have tail. All animals have tails, and all the birds have tails. High up in the sky is at a very high peak, at very highest height. Okay, so this bird sail at a very high height, at a very highest point. Okay, what is the meaning of sail? Sail is moving smoothly on the surface of water. So we can say on the in air also this bird moves smoothly. It flies smoothly by spreading its all feathers, all its wings, spreading by all its wing. It smoothly sails in the air. You got the meaning of sail, right? Sail is to move on the surface of water actually, but in this case we will consider this bird sails smoothly in the air by spreading its wings. Okay, so we will read next. I pick and eat all the mice. Picking up is taking. Okay, this bird takes all the mice and eat them all. The dash dash is what you call me. Answer is eagle, right? Okay, we will read next. My feathers are green, my beak's red. My feathers are green in color and my beak is red in color. Beak is the mouth part of birds, that is known as beak. Guava and green chili am fair. Guava is a fruit which is green in color from outside, and that may be in white color, pink color or red color from inside. So guava is that fruit, and green chili is a type of herb. Chili is type of used in spices. Okay, chili can be in red color and green color. So this bird is fed with green chili. I'm fed is fed by someone. Okay, I'm fed by someone. So by someone is there. So I'm fed. Fed is past tense of feed. F-E-E-D. Feed. Feed is khana khilana. I love to copy people's voice. The bird loves to copy people's voice. So if you say something in front of that bird will catch you and that bird will copy your voice as you say to that bird. In same way, that bird also will say that thing in front of you. Okay, and keep making a lot of noise. So this bird keeps making a lot of noise. It always makes noise. Oh, always me too. Always does like that. So which is that bird? Right, parrot. Next, black are my feathers and black is my dash dash. Beak. Alright, beak is mouth part of birds. That is beak. Black is my beak. Cow cow I do all day long. Cow cow, cow cow, cow cow. This bird makes noise like cow cow, cow cow all the day. All the day. Whole day it does like that only. So what is the name of this bird? Crow. Is that right? Next, kuhu kuhu is my sound. Everywhere I am found. My sweet voice gives me fame. Dash dash is my name. Okay, we will understand this first. Kuhu kuhu is the voice of this bird. Kuhu kuhu, 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 like that. So kuhu kuhu is written there. Is my sound. The sound is awaz. Okay, everywhere I am found. Everywhere means in India, this bird that is found everywhere. Like in Maharashtra, like in each state, mostly these birds are there. So everywhere I am found. The bird is telling like that. My sweet voice gives me fame. The bird has very sweet voice. When it makes noise, when it makes sound, you will feel like something melodious is humming around you. So my sweet voice gives me fame. This bird is saying her sweet voice gives is to give is dena. Okay, her voice gives her fame. Fame is recognized in each and every one. Like this bird is famous. This bird is famous for her voice. Okay, this person is famous for this, or this student is famous for painting. So fame is, it is known for that particular thing. So this bird is famous for her voice, her sweet voice. So this bird is dash dash is my name. The name of the bird is Cuckoo, Koel. Okay, Cuckoo is the name of the family, and in that family many birds come, like Koel and European cuckoo. Okay, these are birds. So the Asian Koel is the answer, like koel is the answer for this blank space. Okay, you got it. Next, dead animals I do eat, making places clean and neat. High up in the dash dash I fly, high up in the sky I fly. Vulture is what I'm called by. Dead animals are मरे हुए प्राणी. Those are dead animals. Okay, dead animals are eaten by such birds, such vulture. Vulture is the name of this bird. Okay, what we are talking about, vulture. We are talking about vulture. Dead animals these birds eat, making places clean and neat. By eating such dead animals, the places are made clean. Okay, otherwise what will happen if these dead animals are there only, if they're kept at that place only, the area nearby will get a bad smell, and due to that infectious diseases may cause to other animals or human beings residing in that area. So vulture, what vulture does, vulture eats that the dead animals, मरे हुए प्राणी, so that area gets cleaned. High up in the sky is high up, at very high point, like kites, like eagles, how they fly high, that like vultures also fly high. Flying is udna. Okay, vulture is what I'm called by. Vulture is what I'm called as. My name is Vulture. He's saying like that. Students, we have not yet completed this chapter, so we will be back with another part of this chapter. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayansh looks forward to having written on that paper. They can only act like through their facial expression, through their hand movements, leg movements, or body movements, but they cannot spell any word